Hi, I'm Marlon, and I'm looking for a confident female because I'm secure and confident in who I am.
Okay, babe, enjoy your night going out with the girls.
What? How come you fuck me about this?
Mama, I'm gonna tell you.
Listen, he's a blood clot liar. I lie, you tell. A man you gonna take for me. A body you gonna take. Stop lying to me. Eh? A cheat you gonna cheat for me, though.
Marlon,
A body you better than me. Body better than mine. Eh? A cheat you. Babes, don't leave, babes. Don't leave. I love you. And financial stability in a woman is very attractive because I too am very financially stable. Yeah, babes. So I mean, I said, look at people there. You know, say Christmas will come and more I'm a long man. Don't do me that, babes. Yeah, man, it's like smiles. And I truly believe that loyalty, respect, and honesty is the cornerstone of any strong relationship. Love my bitches.